I've recently been using the units of measurement function that is readily available in Zoho Inventory. It's a really simple yet powerful way to track and sell items exactly as the way your customer needs them. My examples that I have set up is relating to ribbon. So if we look at ribbon here, we can see that we tend to buy this in metres. We can see that we usually buy it 50 pence and we usually sell this for £1. So I'm not going to go through the process of sales orders and purchase orders in this video. I'm just going to jump straight into a purchase bill so that we can buy the goods in, and I'm also just going to sell it directly to a customer. So if we go to purchases and we just go to bill, I'm going to raise a bill. Let's put today's date and let's put in some ribbon. So it's saying, okay, we buy this in metres. Yep, and I'm going to buy 10 in at 0.6 a metre. Okay, so 10 times 60 pence is obviously £6. So we can hit save on here. Okay, so this is our bill. So we're expecting now for £6 worth of stock to be purchased in. So let's sell some of those items and then we'll see how this looks when on our sales invoice our customer would like to purchase centimetres. So we can go to our customer, again today, go ribbon. And this is where it gets really clever, because here we can say, actually, we can see that it's 1 metre is £1 a metre. So if I now say, actually, this customer wants to purchase 75 centimetres, it will actually convert it and say that that is 0.01 pence, so 1 pence per centimetre. So we know that that should be 75p. Now what this has done is it's saved us having to sit down and actually work out that rate. So say you're buying a box of screws and you might want to sell only 3 screws. Like, this unit of measurement is actually a really powerful tool. Let's see what it's done to the balance sheet. So we go to the reports and we go to the inventory valuation summary and we look for the ribbon. We can see here the movement and we can see that 0.75 has been correctly adjusted for, because we know that 75 centimetres is 0.75 of a metre. So it's automatically pulling that through directly from the stock. Really powerful little tool, and I think it will really, really help. The flexibility means you can manage fractional quantities effortlessly. So if you're selling, say, fabric, piping, wire, chemicals, it requires no duplicate SKUs. It gives a clean, consistent reporting, accurate stock levels. Any problems, then please let us know.